Hi, I'm Maya, and today we're going to be learning about expanding double brackets.
Open brackets, x add 3, close brackets, and then open brackets again, x add 5. So the way I do these expressions and expand and simplify them is using a method called FOIL. So each letter stands for the order in which we need to do this expression in. So the F stands for the first. So that means we multiply the first expression in each bracket together first. So that would be the x and the x here, which gives us x squared. The O stands for outers, so that is the outermost number or expression in both of these brackets. So we would do x times by 5, which is 5x. Next up is the I, so that stands for inners, so we have 3 and x there, so we have 3x is our next sum. And then the L finally stands for last. So the last number in each bracket is the 3 and then the 5. So the last little joined up arrow is here. 3 times 5 is 15. Now, that is expanding the brackets. Now what we need to do is actually simplify them. And we do that by gathering the like terms. So the first term we have is x squared, and there is nothing else that is squared in this expression, so we don't do anything to that. So that would remain the same. Next up, we have 5x, and there is another number with an x next to it, which is 3x. So we would put them together, which would give us 8x. So those terms are similar, they are like, so we gather them together. And then at the end we have 15, and we don't have just another number in this expression, so we leave it as is. So that gives us x squared add 8x add 15 as our final expression. We have